Well, you Goldwing writers out there know that the fifth generation Goldwings were pretty limited as to our personal choices of music. You had the radio. So what? That's hardly a personal choice, and the radio sucks on these things. The sound quality is awful. Certainly not the CB. So what you had was a CD player, an auxiliary, which was basically an Apple iPod, and that was pretty darn limited too. But fortunately, there's an answer, and it's very inexpensive and easy answer. There's a device, they're calling it digital music changer or digital music player, DMP. And it's about the size of a deck of cards, and it's $50 roughly on Facebook, on eBay or Amazon. I'm not even going to do an installation on this thing because to show you it, it's as easy as opening your refrigerator door. So, it goes under the seat. It has the connector, plug and play, right into an open connector that you've got under the seat, which is the one that was normally used by the CD player. It's just that easy. And then it lives under the seat. But here's the thing about it. You can use a memory stick, and you can put a couple thousand songs, whatever you want, on your memory stick. And now you have all this music. There are some limitations. So first of all, it uses your existing controls. So playing the CD, right? Playing the CD player, but here, so it uses your volume control naturally, but it uses your disc selector to change tracks. So it's just that easy. It's very fast. The sound quality is excellent. There are some limitations you need to know about. First of all, there's no shuffle, and that really bothers me. There's no shuffle, so everything is going to be played. Watch when I go through the tracks. 33, 34, 35, 36. All right. Let's say that you had downloaded on your memory stick, you had downloaded all the songs ever written by the Rolling Stones. You're going to have 100 songs all in a row, and you're going to have to thumb through all of those things, so without shuffle. That's a pain. So what I'm telling you is when you record your stick, mix your songs already, so you're not stuck with some long string of the same performers. The second thing is it doesn't give you any information in here except the track number. And whoopee, or what's the big deal with that? Whereas you look at the screen on my Harley there, it gives you the name of the artist, it gives you the cover art, etc. And even if you had the big screen, my other Goldwing has the big screen with nav and all that stuff, it still doesn't give you any more than this. So, that's all right. It's a small price that you get this good quality sound. I like it. There have been complaints. These things, these are made in China, and there are a dozen companies marking them under different names. They're all the same. There are complaints that when you turn on the bike, it doesn't start properly. When I haven't experienced that at all, and they even point out somewhere in here, retain CD sound quality, Bluetooth hands-free. That's an option. Keep iPod from playing, support Bluetooth with easy install, directly plug and play, and it comes back up where you turn it off. So that's kind of cool too. So, you know what? For $50 in a few minutes time, remove your seat, plug it in, boom, you're going. What the heck? Go for it. And like I say, uses your existing controls. Can't get much better than that. Chill.